Welcome to Fresh Food and Travel, and in today's video we are going to review one of the finest hotels of Chandrapur. Now let's step into the luxurious suite room of Siddharth Premier Hotel, where soft velvet upholstery, modern art pieces and polished wooden accents create a harmony of style and serenity. The centerpiece of the room is a master bed thoughtfully designed for ultimate relaxation. Next, we move to the bathroom, which is not just functional but a private retreat to help you refresh and unwind after a long day. Soft towels, premium toiletries, and a spacious glass enclosed rain shower ensures a rejuvenating experience. A large vanity mirror offers a perfect setup for your daily routine. And further, we move to the fine dining experience, where the ambience was royal and set the perfect mood for the evening. And for dinner, we ordered a variety of dishes. We ordered two sizzlers. First is chicken shashlik, tender and well marinated pieces of chicken grilled to perfection, with some sauteed vegetables, fries, and flavored rice. Well, I must say that every dish was beautifully presented and absolutely delicious. The quality service truly made the dining experience memorable. Crisp and spiced masala papad. Next we have chicken tikka sizzler, sizzling hot, smoky and full of rich flavors. Last but not the least, the sizzling chocolate brownie, perfect for sweet ending. The lounge area is perfect for both casual meetings and leisure. So whether you are waiting or working, the space adds a touch of sophistication to your stay. Subscribe now for more exciting hotel stays, travel stories and food journeys. See you soon in the next video. Until bye.